Hello everyone. So I had this preconceived notion that mythological fictions are extremely boring and hard to read. And certainly I had a complete no for this genre, but this book changed my standpoint. So the book I'm going to review in today's video titles The Genius of Indraprastha by Harshwardhan. So this book talks about the 5 native tribes of Gondwana, namely Aryans, Asuras, Garudas, Wanars and Vaishyas, and how the foreign invasions led by Khidmatgars completely changed the fate of Gondwana and its people. Khidmatgars had actually migrated to Gondwana in search of water and better standard of living, but they actually ended up capturing the territories of Gondwana. The story gains space when Rishi Shambhuvana starts narrating the War of Indraprastha. The characterization of Bakht Khan is outstanding. Very soon he is able to make all the tribes of Gondwana fall prey to his power and dominance, except for one tribe, that was Aryans, who seemed to remain in the line. The story also seems to propagate an idea which says Jnanam Amulyam Asti, meaning knowledge is indispensable, knowledge is invaluable. Commander Bakht Khan during a battle finds a scroll which contains a secret to using weapons and ammunitions in the battle, but this secret is not known to only one person but also to King Martin, who also wants to retaliate using the same secret. But the secret remains concealed until the second part of the novel comes. Oh, I really liked the second half of the book, and hardly did I imagine that a mythological fiction can be so engaging. Author has done a brilliant job with this debut piece. I think I'll rate this book 3.5 out of 5. Do give this piece a read if you really want to begin with mythological fiction as a genre. Also, if you would want to get your hands on this book, then do refer to my description box for the link to this book. And yes, that's a wrap guys. Also, if you liked the video, then please consider liking it, sharing, commenting down below, and also subscribing to my channel. Until then, be safe, do well, and thank you.